We have a blind where the gear up inside is no longer working, so our adjusting rod no longer opens and closes the slats. We're going to show you the steps involved taking the blind off the wall. If you have a fascia plate, go ahead and remove that. Your blind may not have one. You just pull down on the bottom of those clips and it comes out. Now we're going to remove our adjusting rod. And now we're going to just push in on the bottom of that plate. And a little piece of metal holding it in pops up. And then you just slide it out. So, first step. So you pry one side back a little bit and it just pops out. Yeah. Lift that up high enough and then just pull it off. And now we ordered this on Amazon. This is a little better model. It's got some metal parts instead of all plastic. Put the stem in first. Slide the pole in. Make sure that plastic module is well seated. And snap it in. This is the original device, and you see why it breaks so easily. It's just cheap. This is the one purchased on Amazon, a lot heavier. It's got some metal to it. It's from Amazing Drapery Hardware. We're going to put it all back together now that we've fixed the problem. And now it works. Excellent. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.